So guys, today we'll see how can we delete our resource groups. So let's just log into our Azure portal. This is my Azure portal homepage and just click on resource groups. Here you can see the list of resource groups which you have created previously. And now I'm going to delete the third resource group. You can delete anyone. So in my case, I just want to delete this resource group. So just click on this resource group. Okay. And then you will find this option delete resource groups. So before that, let me copy this one. Okay. And let's click on this delete resource group. And it is saying that these are the dependent resources which will get deleted. Now it is asking to enter the resource group name. You can manually type it, else the because I have copied directly, I can paste it over here. Okay, else you can manually type it. The name of the your resource group. So my resource group name was this one, and I just copy pasted. And then just click on this delete button, followed by a delete. That was asking for the confirmation. Once you give the confirmation, it will start deleting. In the notification, you can see that the resource is getting deleted, and it will take few seconds to get it deleted. Let me click on this refresh button, and you can see some of the resources got deleted and one resource is still in pending. So currently it is getting deleted. So it has already taken 4 minutes because I had a lot of resources inside this resource group. Because of that, it is taking time. It depends on your resources, how much resources you have within a resource group. Based on that, it will take some time. So again, let me pause video for some time. All right. So finally, this resource group got deleted. And if you click on this notification icon, okay, you can see deleted resource group. Now let's cancel this and click on this refresh and see no resource group matches your filter. So there are no resources which are available inside this resource group. And let me go back to my resource group, and here also see that got disappeared. So in total we have only two. Previously we had three. So this is how you can delete your